Hello everyone, it is me again. It's time for us to do some Python again. So let's talk about operators today. Um, Operators, as you know, are just like operators in math or algebra that you might have studied in middle school, even elementary school, I guess. Uh, Python tries to keep a lot of the symbols the same for all the operators that we are all used to, but some of them are slightly different than what you've been using in your math class or in daily life. So we're going to go over that today. We're going to talk about three different families of operators. We're going to talk about operators that work on numbers. They're called arithmetic operators. We're going to talk about operators that compare two things. They are called comparison operators. And we are going to talk about operators that are of logical kind, which means logical operators, which basically means if this is true and this is true, then do something. For example, if you are 5 feet tall and you are 10 years old, then say something. So this and in the middle, where two conditions are taken and we decide that both of them should be true, that is called a comparison operator. That is called a logical operator, and we're going to go through that. So let's just see them really quickly. Here is the arithmetic operators, and there may be a few more, but I think these are good enough to get you started for most coding questions and problems that we're going to be doing. So first one is plus, addition, subtraction, multiply, divide. Remember, divide we use this slash, forward slash. Multiply we use the asterisk. We don't use the multiplication sign that you're used to in math. Two asterisks together is raised to power. So if you say 3, if you want to say 3 raised to power 6, you will write 3 asterisk asterisk 6, and Python will understand that you mean raise 3 to the power of 6. And then divide, if this is a simple divide, this is a double divide operator, which are 2 forward slashes, which means only give you the quotient, not give you the remainder. I will show you an example. And then there's modulo, which basically means only give me, it's still related to division, and it means only give me the remainder, not the quotient. So let's just see all of this in action. Here is my Python code. Call it made-up5.py. I've taken two variables a and b, print a plus b, and I can do this. And as you would assume, it does it 103. Now let's do, minus, and all of that works the same way. Let's test the new ones. A star star b. All right, you see this, and you see it's raised 100 to the power 3, and you got what? A million. Is it a million? Yes, it's a million. And again, we change it to 100. So this will just give you the quotient. So 3 divided by 100 divided by 3. 3 times 33 is 99. I think we should get 33. So let's see what we get. And there's the answer. Now if you wanted to do just the real division, a divided by b, then you get 33.33333 here, which is not rational. But Python has done its magic here, because this is something interesting. We will talk about that later. This is where pure math and computing are slightly different. I think this is an advanced topic, but take a note of this. It is not 33333 never ending as it is in math. So what happened here? We'll talk about this sometime in the future. And again, let's do the modulo quickly. So if you remember, I told you modulo is, the remainder. So just run it, and we get the remainder is 1. So let's go back. So we took a look at all these operators. We're going to talk about the next branch of operators, the logical and the comparison operators, in the next video. These are pretty self-evident, other than a few of them. The last 3, I think, are the ones that you probably need to remember. Getting used to it would take some time. But I think this is pretty straightforward. I will see you in the next video, where we'll talk about the other two families quickly, logical and comparison. All right, bye-bye.